We're here at the Mesa Regal RV Resort, and this is a real snowbirder's paradise.
Yeah, you'll have to get somebody holding a paddle with all those beers.
There is so many people here, like from our home and from all different places, all across Canada, all across the northern U.S.
There's over, what, 2,200 sites here?
Yeah.
It's crazy. But and lots to do.
Tons and tons of activities. So they've got this great pickleball club, so we were doing that this morning. They've had a huge parade today. We're going to go over to the main building. Well, first of all, I think we have to get checked in. But besides that, there's all kinds of food trucks and activities, and it's 25-cent beer day, and it's...
There'll be, dancing. It's like old teenagers. That's what it is. They're crazy.
Everybody's having a super good time here.
She's a hurricane in all kinds of weather. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time. Okay, I believe you. Jump in the line, rock your body in time.
We're drinking beer.
How much?
All we can drink for 25 cents.
You know, we are not snowbirds, we are sometimers, but there's lots of people here that come for a week or two, and then there's people here that stay for 6 months.
Yeah.
So there's all sorts of different people, different age groups, lots of RVs, lots of park models, and just tons and tons of good company and activities. So,
and we get to be here sometimes.
Yeah, this will be our third visit. Today we're going to go with friends and out to the middle of the Arizona desert to...
Is it the middle of the Arizona desert?
Well, I don't know. It's out in the Arizona
desert. At the edge,
desert.
at least.
To a place called Philly's, which is like a authentic cowboy saloon type environment where cowboys show up on their horses.
Ride up on their horses, hitch their horses to the post.
In their spurs and all their gear. And
hopefully we don't get shot.
We'll just stay well behaved, have a few drinks, have some lunch, and enjoy the experience.
Hi there.
What you up to?
Well, looks like we got a leak in our hydraulic for this slide. So I'm just trying to figure out where it is. I think It's definitely from this ram. I don't think it's from the seal. I think it's from the connection here. So I got it cleaned up. And I think we'll cycle it and see if we can see this. No, there's never been any signs other than if you crawled in here. And this is not a bad space to work in. It's nice if I was a little bit shorter because I could stand up.
Right.
But sometimes you're just too tall for
These spaces.
these kind of tasks, right?
Right.
But
You're managing.
we make do with what we have, right?
So what I find interesting once again is that didn't we have this slide serviced before we left?
We did. See, the problem was, it sounded like the pump was struggling or low on oil,
Right.
which it was. So they filled it up.
But wouldn't one ask themselves why?
It was going empty over
Yeah.
a period of time.
And maybe look around to see if there was any oil lying around? Like maybe
Yeah.
up here? So Corey's been working under there for a while, so I thought I would just go check on him again and see how things are going. Just coming to check on you.
Well, you bringing me a coffee? Thanks.
How are things going?
Oh, I think I know where it's coming from. And I think there's not much I can do about it right now. Because it's coming from the connection that's crimped onto the hose itself.
I see. So you might as well have a coffee then.
I'm going to have a coffee while I'm
in your office.
in my office. As
Okay.
long as you're sitting down, it's quite comfy in here. I got
oil.
grease on me. I'm doing pretty good actually because it's really greasy
You're
under
not.
here.
Believe me, you're not.
Oh,
doing
where have I
good.
got grease?
Your face is covered. Your arms are
Well, I'm
covered.
looking at my clothes and
Your clothes are black.
well, my shorts aren't and they're not bad.
So have a nice break in your office here. We are about ready to leave Mesa Regal. Just got a few more, put the bikes on, pulling the slides. But how did your slide repair go?
The leak, it did not get fixed, but we put a temporary band-aid on it. So I brought that pad around it, which will absorb, it absorbs oil, just oil or hydrocarbons, not liquid, not water. So if it got wet, it's not a big deal.
So what about when we pull the slide in?
That shaft slides into
Oh,
the
I
ram,
see.
and that piece does not move. And it should have clearance everywhere, so I don't think it'll be a problem. I'll watch it when you put it in, but I think it'll be fine. It'll be fine. And we'll just keep an eye on it whenever we open it up. So